Hey everybody, welcome to Kitchen Things Thursday. Today it's all about zucchini. If you've noticed, they're everywhere. Supermarkets, farm stands, your own garden, your neighbor's garden. And here's the thing, there's so many things you can do with it. Zucchini cake, zucchini bread, saute, stir fry. You could just keep going on and on. How about turning them into noodles? We like to call them Zoodles. Here's what you do. You need a spiralizer. This is a spiralizer, and it just kind of spins. There's almost no waste to it. Actually, there is no waste to it. Turn the whole thing into something spectacular. Let me show you how to do it. There are all kinds of great ways to get Zoodles. Here's one of my favorites. It's a spiralizer. This is one you just turn the crank. Some are electric. The great thing about this one, if you've got a power failure, you'll still get them. Here's how it works. Just take it this way. Just pop it in there. Pop it in. Voila. I like to do it in a sheet pan like that, kind of to catch them all. But you see how fast this is. Look at that. Look at that, all of that. And that's just from 2 small zucchinis. If you do 3 of them, 3 larger ones, that's enough for, I figure, an entree. Little tomato sauce on top, maybe a little pesto. There's so many great things you can do with this. Look at the amount that you get from that. That's really just 2 medium-sized zucchinis. If you go with 3 of them, that's enough of an entree for 2 people. How do you cook it up? I like to saute it, a little olive oil. This goes so quickly. You don't want to cook too long. You want to still have a bit of a crunch to it. This will literally be less than 5 minutes to cook. And one other thing, this is my helpful hint of the day, is that with a bench scraper, you can do it right in the pan. I like to actually cut zucchini this way, just like that. Why do that? Because that way, unlike spaghetti, you don't get these big long twirls. Just makes it easier to eat, cooks up just as quickly, and it just makes it a great way to go. I like to have this with tomato sauce, maybe even some pasta underneath, and it makes it a nice filling meal. You can do anything with this, even a little butter and Parmesan on top, just like pasta. That's what you want to do with your zucchinis, and this time of year, it's absolutely perfect. And we'll see you again next time at the next Kitchen Things Thursday.